Welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while since I last posted, but I've been on the road for the past week, and on the road, temperatures got pretty cold, and I noticed my heater is really sucking. So guessing it's a little clogged heater core. I did run some head gasket fix in this car, I'd say a couple months ago or so. Didn't work. It was Blue Devil head gasket sealer. I would not recommend that. It didn't seal the head gasket, and I think it's clogged my heater core pretty well. But today I'll be, trying to work on that. Maybe hopefully I can unclog it. If not, I'm looking at a heater core replacement, which I heard is a real pain. So here's the situation we're dealing with here. So one heater line right there, it usually goes in the head down there. The other heater line usually goes down to that block port right there. Have it undone. I have this into a bottle so I can spray air and water through that one, and then I'll go ahead and reverse the flow. Hopefully reversing the flow, going a little bit one way, a little bit the other way, will kind of knock some of that crud loose. But so far I haven't really done anything. Just got to this point and stopped. Wanted to make this video. Got some water here to kind of send through, like I said, catch can thing, and I will be trying some of this. I don't know how well it works, but it's a radiator flush cleaner thing, so I'm gonna pour some of that down that hose and let it sit in the core for a while. Hopefully it'll break some of the crud loose, and then I'll use my air hose and air chuck, and I'll go ahead and blow that crap out into the bottle, and I'll do that one or two times, see how well the flow, or see if the flow improves at all, and fill it back up and see how well it works. So air chuck in the hose. I know it's not a perfect fit, but if I stick it in there and I kind of pinch around the edges, it works decently well. So I tried a couple times, a little back and forth, little bit of that radiator flush, sent it through the system, and the water and the fluid, or the flush, was coming out pretty much, as clear as it did when it came in. So I think this is the best I can do. So I got the hoses hooked back up right down there, and this guy right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and button the Civic back up, top off or add coolant, run it, heat cycle it, top off the coolant, and we'll see where we stand. Fingers crossed, I guess, but kind of went into this expecting to have to put in a new heater core, because I was just getting absolutely no heat at all, and I think that Blue Devil head gasket fix really gunked it up. So here we have everything buttoned up, all put back together, idling away, just burping the coolant here a little bit. Let it get up to operating temperature with the cap off. Let it, let all the air bubbles come to the top of the system, which is the radiator cap in this case. Of course, the heater is, the fan is a little bit on, but the heater is set to open flow to allow the coolant to flow into that heater core. And yeah, now we just wait. I'm going to go ahead and give it a second, or a few minutes or whatever. Burp all the air out, and then we'll go ahead and take it for a drive, see if the heat is any better. I'm a little bit skeptical here, but it was worth a shot before I go ahead and buy a brand new heater core and put in the time to take out the dash and all the components to just get to get the heater to work again on these cold winter days. So I'm on the road giving a little test drive. Heat is okay. The temperature on the gauge is right where it should be. The heat, like I said, is just okay. But I don't know, maybe there are a couple air bubbles left in there to burp out. I do overfill the coolant reservoir just to make sure If there are any more air bubbles, they'll work their way out on their own, and just to make sure that there's plenty of coolant left in the overflow to accommodate for that. And I don't know, if you have a heater core that's clogged, everyone knows that that is a big job to do, and I would definitely try to flush the heater core first before proceeding to actually removing the heater core, unless yours is leaking or something. But yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos, and thanks for watching. I'll be back with another one soon.